Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I want to talk about black bears in Appalachia. So, anytime you're in the Appalachian Mountains, there is always the possibility that a black bear could be lurking. Now, typically they don't like to mess with people, and typically they're most active in the evening and in the morning because that's when they're feeding. But if you run into a black bear that's in a bad mood or has something wrong with them, you can become a target. So, a few things: never run from a black bear. You don't want to run. That's perceived as a challenge, and you cannot outrun a black bear. So if you run, he's going to catch you. So don't do that. Try to make yourself look as big as you can while slowly backing away, but continuing to look at that black bear. Make noise, wave your arms in the air, look big, but slowly back away. Always have bear spray in backcountry when you're in the backcountry, because as a last resort, that could save you. And always, don't walk around with food open and walking down the trail eating, because those scents, not just meats, but deodorants and chewing gum and toothpaste, all of those odors can attract black bears. So be aware of that. Be bear aware, man. So yeah, but have fun. Don't let the black bears that are lurking in the mountains scare you. But be aware. Be aware of the black bear. Tell me what you think within the comment section below. How do you handle bears in the backcountry? And be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.